of us were like stressed about how I'm able to get my data or instrument for the exam which are approaching. So we say thank you very much for it.
Thanks a lot, because on my side, this friend is making me to remember how I was used to bother her. Like every day, very chilly, daily, very chilly. Wow. Like later I was borrowing from my friend. So thanks a lot. It was a daily conversation to my father. Like I needed a better for this. May God bless you.